One of the most common questions we get about our snakes involves our baby carpets, and that is, are they tame? Short answer is not really. So the way you hold them is very important. I'm going to show you how to hold a baby carpet. Now here's an example of a baby carpet. This one is on our Instagram right now for sale, and as you can see, this snake is very calm, hanging out. Now look, I'm not putting my hand in front of its face. I'm not moving around a lot. As soon as I start moving a hand like this a lot right near its face, it's gonna get in a defensive posture instead of in a curious posture. So this snake right now is just hanging out and looking around and just trying to see what's what. I could bring it outside, let it get a little bit of sun, and I shouldn't have any issue at all holding this snake. But again, I'm not telling it, be afraid of me. I'm not sending out any weird indications, no sudden movements. I'm just being like a tree branch. And I can do this with all of my baby carpets. So here we have a baby carpet hanging out. This is actually a jungle jag. And I'm going to show you an example of what I call the confident grab. Okay? So just walk up, one hand, lift up the hide, and with the other hand, pick up the snake. And there it is. Okay, so let's show you this one more time. Same drill, different snake. All right, here I'm going to give you another example. This is with a larger snake. It's a jungle carpet python. This snake's enclosure needs to be cleaned out. So we'll go ahead and remove our water. This is called F10. This is what we use as a disinfectant, and our paper towel. So with one hand, basically, I'll remove the hide, pick up the snake with the other hand, and then with my free hand, I'm going to be doing the one-handed enclosure cleaning because I don't have a helper today. So let's see how this works out here. One hand, in and out. This is a snake that I got when it was very young. I think it was only 2 or 3 months old. From the very beginning, all I did was just reach in, grab it, and I've never had this snake try to bite me. Now, it's not saying that it wouldn't if I stuck my hand in front of it or startled it or anything like that. I'm just showing you that this snake is not attacking me. This is a very young carpet. This snake is not even a year old yet. Okay, so here we go with the cleaning. So one hand, I'm holding the snake, and with the other hand, since I have no helper today, I'm doing the cleaning. So far, so good. My snake is cooperating. Doesn't really like that I'm moving so fast right now. So yeah, he doesn't really like that. Now usually I'm going to wait about 10 minutes and let this soak, but for the sake of the demo today, I'm just showing you just a real quick example. I do recommend having a partner hold the snake while someone else cleans it, or you hold your snake and let someone else wipe out your enclosure. Okay, got my paper towels. Double them up. Okay, so now I'll put the hide back. The hide is in good condition. It's clean. And I had just given the snake some fresh water recently. Has a disposable liner inside of the glass. And then now I'm going to see if the snake wants to go back home. Now I am not doing anything. All I'm doing is offering the snake its hide. So let's see what it does. Okay, it's wrapping around its purchase. It's going inside the enclosure. There we go. That was very stress-free. So excellent example of letting your snake choose to go in its enclosure. Make it its idea. Not your idea. Okay, here we have another example of the confident grab. This is a Wow Blaze snake, and I believe this is a Wow Blaze female. Here we go, same drill. Before the snake even knows what happened, you already have it up in the air, you're already a tree branch, and the snake is just going to roll with it now. It has no choice, really. If you give the snake a choice, especially with the real young ones when they have no idea what's going on, it makes them very, very nervous. So therefore, you need to be the confident one. The enclosure has now been cleaned. We have fresh water. The plant has water. Looks like it's going over to the perches, wrapping around them to get some leverage. Looks like it's pretty much doing what our other snake did. And slowly but surely making its way down to its hide. And this snake is actually already about halfway into its hide. Now notice I'm not rushing it. There we go. And that's it. So once again, no drama. Picked up the snake, put the snake back by letting it go back into its enclosure on its own.